आप airsewa.gov.in पर लॉग इन कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen.
So we are taking off from Delhi to Abu Dhabi on this Boeing 777, just taking off about 188 knots. Yeah, reached Abu Dhabi, and the passageway walking through actually heads towards one of the entries of the hotel that we are staying in. Let's head inside and see, and I'll show you the room once I reach the hotel. Okay, so I checked in, and I've got this room. Heard that there is the airport view from the room. I'm pretty excited about it. This is my stay for next about 15 days. Let me go directly to see the view from the room. So yeah, first day at Etihad Training Center. So are heading to the academy now. I don't think आज ज़्यादा कुछ होगा. I just get some campus tour and थोड़ा बहुत training का details देंगे. So yeah, as I guessed, we are having the campus tour. The campus is actually pretty huge. I cannot cover the whole campus today in this video. I will put it up in some other videos.
Not this one, there's something else, but yeah,
Welcome. How was the general overview? Enjoyed? I wish you all the best. And when do you leave? When do you go back? 15. Oh, another couple of days. Enjoy it. Have fun. They are good, they are learning good, and you have to do the same. Tell them it's very tough and complex. See you right here. Yeah.
We are heading towards the simulator bay. Simulators are actually training devices which we will get trained on. I'll show you once again.
Okay.
So yeah, here we are inside the beautiful Airbus A320 cockpit, and yeah, I know what's the switch here which will make it even beautiful. Let me try. This one I guess. Yeah. So this is the beautiful Airbus A320 cockpit which I'm going to get trained in.